And I'm back for another vlog. And for today, nandito ako sa Blue Leaf, Pilipinas, near City of Dreams, Manila, for the YouTube Creator Camp. So I got my goodies here and my ID as well. So ayan, I'm ready to go. Pasok na tayo.
I'm so happy to see so many familiar and brand new faces on the stage today.
So we want to ask you, let's go back to the beginning, to before you even got your purpose back up. Why did you start your channel?
As you guys can see, I'm alone today, but nevertheless, I'm still having fun. Ang laking bagay talaga ng creator camp to all creators ng YouTube kasi it gives so much inspiration and impact, lalo na sa mga creators, to do more and grow sa community. So now, we're having just a short, quick lunch, and there's Janina Bella. But anyway, we're just having a quick lunch. So I'm having this one. I don't know what that is. Parang siyang kebab na may rice sa ilalim. Then, just this pasta na good for one lang. Hi guys! So I'm done eating na, and alam niyo talaga, pag YouTube Creator Camp, sila lang talaga yung nakakapagpa-join sa akin sa kung ano-anong ganap. So I joined different booths a while ago. The challenge lang naman is very easy. That's why, yeah, yun yung mga challenges and mga booths. So I got to join the McDo booth, and I kind of won free fries, float, and stickers from McDo. So that's very, very cute. Then I got to join from Huawei. I just need to post and stuff. So I got a bag from Huawei. I got something from Modest as well, Neutrogena and Johnson & Johnson. So I will just try to create a video or do a separate spiral segment within this video sa mga nakuha ko dito sa FanFest. Kasi sobrang generous talaga ng mga sponsor pag may FanFest. So yun lang. I'll see you guys in a bit, and I'll just enjoy yung company with everyone around vlogging, you know, and join other booths as well. Hey!
To the fans right now. Everybody seems to be looking at Pamela so like, I don't know.
Everyone's song is song.
The camp has officially ended. Yeah, it's the very first time for me kasi I've been to 3 creator camps already. It's the first time that they changed the location from World Trade Center. Nagulat ako na Blue Leaf na ngayon. So yeah, and it's more strict this time than the past ones kasi talaga may confirmation email and all that. If you want to talk about it, please do comment down below kung gusto niyo malaman how and why or the details kung paano maka-join sa Creator Camp. So, ayun, I have so much goodies sa aking hand and I can't wait to share to you guys. Pauwi na ako and I'll share the rest of the day with you if possible. And ayun, naghihintay lang ako ng sundo ko. So yeah. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Obviously, I'm not in any way in Blue Leaf anymore. Nandito na ako sa bahay, and it's the other day after the creator camp. And yeah, I hope you forgive na I don't have the ample lighting and everything kasi vlog lang naman siya. So anyway, this video is just to show you, or this part of the video is just me showing you guys the stuff I got from the fan fest. So let's begin. Let's begin with this one. This is a bag from Johnson & Johnson PH, yeah, Philippines Incorporated, and what's inside are the following items. So, ayan siya. So, firstly, ang ganda nung, sorry, nabuksan ko na siya to check. So, yeah. Firstly, this is the Johnson & Johnson's Baby Powder Bringing Wave Protection Against Irritation. Iba na yung packaging nila. Wait. Ayan, iba na yung packaging nila. See, may parang clouds na siya. Tapos, blue na siya. Yung buong bottle niya. So, yeah. This is the large variant ng powder. Then, I got 2 more powders, yung medium size na powders, in bedtime, the violet one, and in milk and rice. So, ayan siya. Medium size lang siya na powder. So, there. Ayan. So, that's it for Johnson & Johnson. Sobrang, ano na din siya, sobrang generous nila para magbigay ng, yung isa okay na, pero bibigay pa sila ng tatlo at the same time, yung variant is malaki. So yeah, thank you for that. Plus, they also left a letter. So yeah. So here are the items I got from Neutrogena. I got 2 of the Deep Clean Energizing Foam Cleanser in 85 grams. So yeah, malaki na din siya. Fair enough. Maganda din naman yung brand. Saan yung focus there? So, yun siya. Yung energizing na variant siya. Meanwhile, I also have yung foaming cleanser lang. So, ito yung cleanser lang siya. So, there. In 100 grams naman to. So, I really don't see the difference dun sa size nila. So, ito yung 85. Ito yung 100. Parang same lang sila halos, diba? Next is the Neutrogena Cool Dry Sport with Micro Mesh Sunscreen Spray, Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Para siyang panglalaki. Diba? Para siyang panglalaki, pero SPF, ano siya, sunscreen siya na display. So, this is very helpful since you all know it's still summertime. But Neutrogena is also, parang sila din pala yung, ewan ko, sister company nila or sa kanila din si Clean and Clear. This is oil control film lang. I don't really use this, so I might put this in the giveaway bin na lang instead. So, there. And also, leaving a message doon sa bag na bigay nila. The next items are from Huawei. So, binigyan lang nila ako ng ganito. Tapos, inside is like an eco bag na backpack siya. Wait lang, let's open it. So, ayan siya. Backpack lang siya na foldable and very handy and compact. So, this will be really, really helpful for me. So, there. That's from Huawei. And another bag from Modes. Yes! Supplies! So, ayan. It comes in a bag. Parang din siyang emergency bag. Yeah. So, what's inside are the following. Ganda naman ang bag na to, pang travel. Maganda siyang bag. I like it. So there, I got 2 notes which says #feel comfortable with Modes and a note from Modes as well. Then inside, they gave me a regular pad, all night long pad, and a Carefree panty liner. So yes, may supplies tayo mga fish. So with that comes an origami set or origami kit. Meron sila dyang instructions. Then may mga papel siya inside which you can do. Then lastly, nagbigay din sila nitong bottle. Parang pwedeng hot, pwedeng cold na bottle. And it says here, feel comfortable with Modes. So, ayan, this is very, very handy and this is this will be very useful for me. So, ayan. Ganda din ang kulay. Very royal blue. Also, the bag. Sobrang magiging useful siya sa akin since I'll be traveling a lot sa mga susunod na araw. So, magagamit ko tong bag na to. So, there. Moving on with the goodies from YouTube. YouTube na. Moving on with the goodies from YouTube. Siyempre, once you get inside, ay, sorry, meron pa palang from McDo. So, McDo gave me their sticker pack. So, yun yung stickers nila. Cute. Along with it comes a coupon with free medium fries and free float. So, ayan, that one's from McDo, pero wala na sa akin yung coupon, so I'm so sorry. But moving on with the YouTube goodies, syempre, once you get inside, you'll be getting your own ID, which I had several times na. And this is really, parang mas ano siya ngayon. Mas maganda yung ngayon, kasi actually, I think they had 4 fanfest pa lang. And I've attended 3 out of 4 already. Tapos, yung first fanfest ko, ganito siya, pero hindi siya laminated. The second one naman, I think, handwritten lang siya. And now, syempre, level up tayo ng konti. Naka-laminate na siya, tapos printed siya. So, nakalagay na din dito yung breakout session na sasalihan mo. So, it just says here, YouTube FanFest, this creator cam, creator, tas your name. So, there. Tapos, sa likod, nakalagay yung schedule nung creator camp namin buong day. So, you guys will expect what to do or the activities, yung sessions, may expect mo siya since you have the schedule behind your ID. Then, I got some stuff. Yung mga things I've learned, sinulatan ko. Then, a module kit sa breakout session namin. I chose yung well-being kasi na-try ko na sa monetization, na-try ko na sa production, and yung well-being, hindi ko pa siya na-try. So, this time, nasubukan ko siya. So, ang ganda ng session na to, as in, so, laking tulong yan para sa aming mga creators. Then, I got stickers, free stickers from YouTube. So, YouTube. Tingnan natin yung iba. Ayaw niya maghiwalay-walay. Baka nakadikit-dikit siya. May FanFest, may YTFF, and all that stickers. And finally, yung pinaka-favorite sa lahat at inaabangan ko sa bawat FanFest, ang aking YouTube notebook. Straight from YouTube itself. So, yan. I like it. You know why? Kasi it's plain lang. Nothing much sa kanyang notebook, which they usually give out naman. I had 3 notebooks from YouTube. Actually, hindi ko pa ata nasusulatan yung notebooks na binigay sa akin ni YouTube. So, this one will be very handy for me and probably susulatan ko na talaga siya. So, there. I like it. It's red. The past one is in white. So, ito na yung ngayon. Kulay red. So, there. So, yun yung mga binigay na goodies from the Creator Camp. If in any case, you guys are wondering kung ano yung mga nakukuha namin whenever may Creator Camp, and yung mga ganap or whatnot, syempre, I've been doing the vlogs ever since I started joining the Creator Camp. So, this time, medyo fast-paced lang yung naging vlog ko. Pero sana kahit pa paano na-enjoy niyo pa din. So, that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching this vlog, and I'll see you on my next video. So, nga pala, I would just like to say hi to those people who said hi to me nung nag-Creator Camp and telling me how they watch my videos and they like my videos, they like me and everything. I am really grateful and thankful because I've met some of you sa Creator Camp, and I'm looking forward to meeting and collaborating with you all. So that's it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Mwah!